Hello, this is Wembo. Today I'm going to show you how to use our decision tree agent to troubleshoot the freestyle machines. So in the beginning, I'm going to build a troubleshooting decision tree for freestyle machine. So I already collect a few documents online, including the product manuals, troubleshooting guides, and also a lot of information that's related to this machine. So I ask AI to build this tree first as a backbone of the troubleshooting process. Um, so this is only for demo purposes. Once you have your documents loaded to the platform, we'll embed the decision tree directly in the backend, so you don't need to rebuild it every time. So right now, the AI agent is retrieving all the information we put in the knowledge base and coming up with a decision. So let's wait a second for it to process all the information. You can see here, it has created a comprehensive troubleshooting decision tree for the Coca freestyle machine, and it's organized by highest ROI. So each decision's attribute is based on the return of investment, and now it's going to running the decision tree. Okay, all right. As you can see here, a decision tree is created. So it will ask a few questions. So for example, it will say like, is the machine dispensing any beverage? And it will go to different branches to check if the machine is working, and then the user can input the information here. So this is the initial draft generated by the AI, and we allow human in the loop process to modify this decision tree based on the technician's thought process. And I assume all these attributes are correct, and I'll submit decision tree. Okay, perfect. So the decision tree is already created. And then the next question I'm going to ask is, I find that there's an CO2 issue with the machine. I cannot get the carbon dioxide in my drinks. So I want to get the step-by-step guidance on how to troubleshoot this machine based on the decision tree we created. So now AI will use the original decision tree as a backbone and guide the user on how to solve the problem. So first, it will ask me, is the machine dispensing any beverage when I press the buttons? So I click yes. And then it will ask me another question, if the flow rate is normal. So I submit my answer, it's yes. And it will also ask me to check the temperature, and I follow the guidance here. So it's asking me to check the pressure gauge read. So the first is 60, and then the second is on. Valve is on, and the green light is showing, and the CO2 tank feels heavy. And I click submit. So it's asking me to adjust the CO2 pressure to 70 to 75. So I adjust it, and it seems it's slightly better, but still flat. And it's asking me to check if the CO2 connections are in good condition. So I find that the connection appears very tight, and I click submit. So next, it's asking me to check the service menu. So I do have that. And it's providing the guidance here for me to follow. So I will reply good condition, no error code, and CO2 flow rating is not applicable. I will prime the CO2. And after running CO2 prime cycle and wait for 5 minutes, I find the drinks are properly carbonated now. So I click submit. Then it will basically summarize what issue fixed the problem, like there's the air in the CO2 line. And it also summarizes what we did in the previous steps. And it also provides the preventative maintenance tips for operator to follow. So that's it for the demo. Thank you for listening.